Hello everyone, grade 9. This is lesson 8.3 scientific notation, algebra 1, and it is in page 428. What's the scientific notation? Actually, it's a way to write very large and very small numbers. So scientific notation is an easy way to write large or small numbers. For example, this is the normal way in which we write the large numbers. This is called standard notation. And this is the new way to write the large numbers and small numbers, which is scientific notation way. Let's take some examples. 6.59 times 10 power times 10,000. How can I write it in an easy way? You keep 6.59 as the decimal, and then change 10,000 to be 10 to the power 4, because 10,000 is 10 times itself 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Easy. What if the number is in decimal form and very large like this? I can write it as a decimal 4.81 by moving the decimal point from this place to this place. You can notice that all scientific notation form is a decimal number, one whole number and decimal, one whole number and decimal, and so on. And even this is the can be like this. So our target is to make a whole number and decimal. So I will move the decimal point from here to this, up to here, 4.8, and write this number as 4.81. And then you moved it how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. And then since you moved it to the right, you write 10 to the power of negative 6. And for this one, this number is 245 million, 245 million. So I will consider the decimal point is here, and then move it up to here. It will be 2.45. But how many places? 8 places. You moved. Since you moved to the left, you write 10 power 8. Because if you want to change this to this form, this is 10 power 8, means 10 and 8 zeros. 1 and 10, 8 zeros. So in case you multiply 10 times any number, you take this decimal to the right. So the opposite, you take it to the left. For this one, this just like this, 0.0003. I will move the decimal point up to 3. It will be 3.0. Because 0 here is nothing. And count how many places? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 10 to the power of negative 5, because you moved it to the right. This one, this is 35,500,000. Consider a decimal point here, and then move it up to here. It will be 3.05. Up till you write all the digits. And then count how many places from here to here? 7. Write 10 power 7, because you moved to the left. This one, just like this one. So you need to know how to change from the standard notation to the scientific notation and vice versa. There is problems to change from scientific notation to standard notation, and there are other problems ask you to change from standard notation to the scientific notation. Anyway, the scientific notation is a form where you write 10 power something, it's power positive or negative, and you write the whole number as decimal. 6 point, 4 point, something point. Okay, just one digit to the left and point, and then the other digits. The second part of the lesson is multiplying with scientific notation. How to multiply two numbers written in scientific notation. Just multiply the 5 times 2.9, it will be 14.5, and multiply the 10 power negative 8 times 10 power 2, which is 10 power negative 8 plus 2 equals negative 6. Divide with scientific notation. This number, I need to divide this number. Two numbers written in scientific notation, I want to divide them. First take these two numbers and divide them, and then divide 10 power 5 divided by 10 power 5, it will be 10 power 4, and keep it as it is. And we have practice in page 428 from 18 to 55 odd numbers, and choose one word problem as your project. Thank you.